Welcome to the Pastor's Moments, designed to lift your day. Here now is award-winning, best-selling author, Dr. Dave Williams.
Are you a bundle of nerves, or have you ever been? Do you feel in a hurry all over? If so, you may be suffering from the disease of the 2000s called nervousness. The Rolling Stones had a hit song entitled, "Here Comes Your 19th Nervous Breakdown." Maybe you remember that. It's true. The average life today is keyed to the breaking point, and that can be serious. Nervousness can destroy our relationships, disturb our zest for life, and wreck our peace of mind. Now, here's a common sense remedy. Number one, plan your day and your week with a workable plan. We often try to cram too much into our daily schedules. Number two, do one thing at a time. Nervous people usually scatter their efforts here and there and here and there and here and there. Number three, learn to see the lighter side. I like to read those old Far Side calendars for a good laugh. Number four, practice the art of relaxing. Nobody can keep going at a tense pace indefinitely. And number five, live in God's presence. Only God knows how to tune the strings of your life so that it makes a beautiful melody. Thanks for listening. I'm Dave Williams with the Pastor's Moment. See you next time.
Thank you for listening. We hope today's message brought a touch of God's love to your life. Pastor Dave would love to hear from you. Visit us at davewilliams.com. Until the next Pastor's Moment, remember, God has given you a call and a destiny, and He's created you to be a pace setter more than a winner through Jesus Christ our Lord.